Hi guys, I'm Manny from Lasfit, and today we're going to show you guys the package we offer, which is a floor mat package for the Tesla Model 3 2022 to 2023. Alright, this package comes with 6 pieces total. Let me show you. Driver, passenger, second row. Now we go on the back, we offer the cargo mats and the under cargo mats. You jump in the front, we have one more, which is a frunk. Alright guys, so let me give you a little bit of details on these floor mats. All of the Lasfit floor mats are using the latest 3D scanning technology. All of our mats have the most coverage out there. As far as the material that we use on these, we're using the latest TPE material, which has no odor, no toxic chemicals, and is environmentally friendly. Alright, as far as the design on our floor mats, most of our designs we have in channels, which you see here. This is for maximum for snow, for dirt. It all stays within the mats. It doesn't spill into the carpet. You don't have to worry about your carpet getting dirty. If they, of course, get filled with dirt, simply remove them. As far as clean them, you do not need no chemicals to clean them. Just simply rinse with water. If you want to go a little bit beyond, if you have a pressure washer, stay with the pressure washer. Nothing will happen to our mats. We offer lifetime warranty, so in case something was to ever happen, a dog bites them, incidents occurs. Send it to us, we will get you a new mat over to you. Alright guys, so let me show you the back of the mat now. All of Lasfit mats, they all come with these anti-slip studs. That's to prevent them from ever sliding. You don't have to worry about ever coming out of place. Another thing, if your vehicle is equipped with, they have these locking pins. So you just simply pop them into your vehicle's existing locking tabs, pop them in, and you're ready to go. So this is the driver mats. As you could tell, Lasfit has one of the tallest walls out there to make sure all the snow, dirt, water stays in the mats. Also, we offer all the in channels. Those in channels are all designed to trap water, make sure it stays in the mats. You don't have to worry about that ever spilling into your carpet. It'll stay all within the mats. Again, these are all weather, so you could go in the snow, rain, pretty much anything you could do to off-road. Everything will stay within the mats. You don't have to worry about ever getting your carpet dirty. And then this is a passenger side. As you can tell, it has a similar design as the driver's side. It has a perfect fit from end to end. And of course, as I mentioned before on the driver's side, Lasfit has one of the tallest walls in any format out there to keep all the water, moisture, dirt, snow, whatever you could throw at this, it'll stay within the mats. Again, these are anti-slip, so you could do anything you like, and you don't have to worry about ever slipping. So let me show you the second row mats. As the passenger and driver, the same thing applies to the rear second row. We have one of the largest walls to, again, make sure everything stays within the mat and not on your brand new carpet. One other thing I want to show you guys on the Lasfit rear second row mats, this right here. So all of the Lasfits, again, they're all laser scanned. This one has a 3D scan to actually follow the rails of your seats. For the driver and passenger seats, this goes in as far as we could. Unlike other brands, other floor mats, ours is a whole one piece. We don't have separate pieces. Everything's put together in one piece. This right here is the trunk. So as you can tell, it's one big piece, all one piece. We've seen some brands out there where it's just the middle and the sides are open. No, so Lasfit, when we did this design, it's one whole piece together. As you can tell, it has a lot of in channels to, again, trap anything that you might throw. For example, let's just say you go to the mountains. You got your boots on, they're full of snow, full of dirt, take them off, put them on your cargo. Everything will fall on your in channel. You don't have to worry about it falling on the carpet. Ready to go. And this right here is the frunk. So of course, this is for the front. As you can tell, this one has deep in channels for the same thing. Let's just say you like to travel a lot. Your carry-on gets a lot of dirt in the wheels. You have to just build up from the airport. Anything, all that will just fall off. Of course, when you put it in here, it's all going to fall and stay within the channels. It's going to get trapped in there. You don't have to worry about it falling when you're carpeted. It'll stay in the mats. If it's so, just remove it out, empty it out, throw some water, pressure washer if you have that as well. You don't have to worry about it, just with pure water, and you're ready to go. And the last piece out of the whole puzzle is this one here. Is the under cargo mats. Again, Teslas have multiple storage compartments. something other cars don't have, and we offer a solution for that particular storage compartment also. Whether you have extra shoes, books, whatever you wish to put in the back, we have a mat to make sure that stays within place, doesn't slip, doesn't get damaged, and of course, doesn't get your carpet dirty. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more future Lasfit content. Thank you. Have a good day.